Hey guys, welcome to this real quick art tutorial. A friend asked me, how do I draw hair today? So I told him I'd make a quick clip and show him how I usually do stuff real fast. If you guys like this bit of information, please let me know if this helps you. And let me know what other things I can do to improve to help you guys draw, or if there's anything in particular you want me to go over so I can make future videos and hope to improve these tutorial lessons. So let's get started. So basically, usually what I'll do is I'll start with basic shapes, and I'll use these shapes to basically plan out what kind of style I want, how big I want certain parts of the hair to be. It's basically the same starting process as when I go to create a character overall. Basically, you want to put down like the general shape and not worry about detail right off the bat. I feel like a lot of people worry too much about trying to get the details just right from the get go, but the part they're missing is the part where they're supposed to be planning stuff out. So I'll go into these bangs here and put these little like edges into like the ends of them. And what I usually do with hair is, instead of like worrying about it being like real detailed, I kind of let the overall shape of it kind of define the way that hair looks and is shaped. Now, as I got the general shape down, I'll go through and I'll kind of split the shapes and make like, I'll divide it into like different strands. I put the part there. That's another thing you want to decide in the layout, is where do you want to part the hair? Where does it? Because there's always a direction to hair and fur too, if we're talking about like animals or creatures. So it's important to keep direction in mind if you want to make convincing hairstyles. I'll go in, put a few little cowlicks, is what I like to call them. Just give it personality. Let's give him a beard. Again, you want to keep in mind hair direction. I like to think of facial hair as something that kind of grows in. It grows, the shorter hair is, the more outward it grows, but the longer it is, gravity starts to take effect of it. So I like to think of facial hair like, even though it's really short, it kind of points from the ears toward downward towards the chin. So I'll draw it like that. Then again, I'll go in, I'll divide the overall shape into multiple strands. Yeah, do something like this. Alright, let's do this side view. I'm gonna make this one real long, put it in like a bun with a band around it, maybe. Put an eye in. Make some overall shapes. And once again, I'll start to make smaller shapes within the large shape, start to overlap some areas, curl some strands upward a few times. Because hair, you want it to be conforming but still loose, if that makes sense. Basically, draw exactly what it is. It's hair. You know what hair looks like. You just need to look at it more. So if you're having trouble drawing hair, I suggest doing an art study. Basically, find some images on Google, save them to your desktop or whatever, phone for reference. I keep references on my phone that I want to implement its style. If I see something cool scrolling through Twitter or something, and I'll be like, "Ooh, I want to draw that," so I'll just save it to my phone for later when I go to sketch it, and I'm like, "Oh yeah, I wanted to draw this stuff," and I'll bring it up as a reference, try it out myself. So collect some images of different art styles you want to learn. Try to copy them. Eventually, someone else's art style, can kind of morph and evolve into yours. A person's art style is like a collection of different styles that they see and like, and you want to draw that way, so you try to. It's not, then you end up not drawing exactly that way, but you kind of do it your way, and that's what it's all about. And it's going to take some time and some effort, but you can do it. I'm gonna color this stuff in just because I like the color. Show a little end project. It's not even a color. Just want to show it separate from the model that I use, I guess. Once that's all filled in, voila, hair. All right. Hopefully that helps. I'll leave a link to my Discord on the bottom of this video if you guys want to hit me up for some more art tutorials. I usually do an art stream on Twitch. I'll link that in the description as well. And that's usually on Sundays at noon American Central. And I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.